It's the most wonderful time of the year. All right, so it's a season for giving. It's a season for spending time with your loved ones. Every year, every December, I would, pack up some stuff out my closet and donate it to a children's home. So this year, I decided, say, I'm not give nobody nothing all. Me, I got order some stuff online, and I'm going to bless the child in need. So I was contemplating where I can order some really cheap stuff, and you don't know me now for contemplate who me I got ship through, because it's only island shippers for me because I'm a platinum member. So I signed up for Sheen and I shipped some, and I bought some really nice stuff that I think either Best Gear or Maxfield for this year, and some nice, it can match with the gray tights. And let me see that one here. And all of this is from Sheen, guys. What else I have here? Oh, another little nice little, I think this one can go with the black and white. So if you're contemplating ordering anything online and you're worried about the high custom charge, then worry no more. Your problem has been solved. Island Shipper is the place that you need to be shipping through, guys. And if you have not signed up for that platinum membership yet, you need to go and do so ASAP. This is probably like my third time shipping through Island Shipper, and you guys have never disappointed me. And I most definitely would be ordering some more stuff because, as I said, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Remember to give, especially during this pandemic. You have quite a few families and children out there who are really in need. Big up yourself, Island Shipper.